Basic rules of cooking. You always gotta wash your hands before you start. Today we're making salsa. We got the basic food processor, garlic press, cutting board, knives. We've got some jalapenos and cilantro, canned tomato I already poured in here. I'm going to start off by cutting the tomatoes, putting them into the food processor. Add them. Ooh. Add it. Can we do it in Then we're going to put cilantro and onions and tomatoes onto our little blender. Start chopping it up. Add it. Cutting up some more onions to put into the blender. Make sure they're nice and thin so it can fit in with everything else. Add our little jalapenos and chili peppers and some more cilantro. Put it on, blend it. Add it again. We're going to mix it all together. More cilantro, so I add some on the side just in case. Doesn't look like there's enough. Pick them off their little stems. We're going to take our garlic press, put it in the center, go over the bowl and smash it just to get all the extra stuff that's lying on there. Just scrape it in there. You don't want too much garlic because then it'll come out too strong. Add a little garlic salt, a little black pepper, mix it together. Once you're done mixing, you got the final product. Now, finally, we taste it to make sure that everything's tasting right. I think we're going to need a little more pepper. We're going to mix it in. Give it another chip. And now it's perfect.